Hello to all the buyers on the Stocklear platform. I am very happy to be with you today live from the warehouse in Liers in the north of France to present a new batch from Grover. Grover, which you probably already know, is a major player, a major retailer in Germany, specializing in the rental of high-tech products to individuals with many subcategories in high-tech. These products are rented between 0 and 5 years, on average 2 to 3 years of rental. You have different qualities ranging from new to non-functional, including functional used. So read the little blue bubbles at the bottom of the photos, below the photos in the offers. That will define the quality. You will see if there are defects, if it's functional or non-functional, if there are original accessories, if there are, etc., etc. So read this quality carefully. It governs well the definition of quality. Make sure to download the Excel files as well to get information on the product line. And today we have opened a batch of used functional air conditioners. So I remind you, in 95% of cases, we have the original packaging. That's not the case here, but for the rest it is. And we just opened a portable air conditioner from Dyson, a Dyson Pure Cool Me. So here we see the original packaging. The remote control is there, the charger. We just plugged it in. There are still the user manuals. Everything is there. So we did the test. The remote control, it doesn't work. So probably the battery has changed. However, we plugged in the product. I press the power button at the back. The air conditioner starts. We have the LCD screen working. You might hear it from the noise. The air conditioner works very well and it even rotates, so everything is working. I confirm that cool air is coming out. So this is really an example of a sample of this air conditioning product from this batch of functional used air conditioners. Study the batches carefully. If you want to chat with us, we have a bubble at the bottom right of your screen to ask us any questions and request a call back if necessary. Make sure to put a delivery address in your Stocklear account to get automatic transport quotes.
I wish you good bidding and see you soon.